EagleRidge, your trusted roofing experts in Fruit Heights, Utah. EagleRidge, the leading roofing contractor in Fruit Heights, Utah, proudly serves the area with comprehensive residential and commercial roofing services, including nearby zip codes such as 84037. Our experienced team is committed to delivering high-quality workmanship, specializing in new roof installations, repairs, and replacements across various roofing materials. With a focus on customer satisfaction, EagleRidge offers customized solutions and prompt emergency repairs to tackle urgent issues effectively. Our dedication to quality is reflected in our use of premium materials, advanced techniques, and thorough inspections during each project. With local expertise, we provide roofing solutions tailored to the climate of Fruit Heights, while our commitment to exceptional results and high service standards distinguishes us from the rest. Discover why EagleRidge is the trusted choice for all your roofing needs in Fruit Heights and the surrounding areas. EagleRidge provides comprehensive residential roofing services, including new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, installation and maintenance of all types of shingles, siding installation and repair, ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing and caulking to enhance energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial roofing, EagleRidge offers commercial roof installation and replacement, EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan, preventative maintenance programs, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings. EagleRidge. Call us at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com. We are Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, located in Utah and servicing the Wasatch Front.